This pizza is delicious, means very tasty and enjoyable to eat. Wow, this curry is spicy. Spicy means having a strong, hot flavor. These fries are salty. Salty means containing a lot of salt. This cake is sweet. Sweet means tasting like sugar or honey. This lemon is sour. Sour means having a sharp, acidic taste. This soup is creamy. Creamy means smooth, rich, and soft like cream. This fried chicken is crispy. Crispy means pleasantly firm and crunchy. This rice is bland. Bland means having very little flavor.